it's Des. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another book review. Well, in today's book review, I am going to be reviewing a book that might be the perfect book to read when you're alone, or also when you're feeling bad or your days has not gone so good so far. Well, this book is gonna cheer you up, and that book is The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Well, he is a French writer and he wrote the story in 1943, which is very long back. And since then, this book has rose to a lot of popularity. Right now, this is the fourth most translated book in the world, which is really very serious. That's not an easy thing to do. And also, looking at the plot of this book, it's really interesting. Let me tell you what it's all about. Well, as you can see in the cover, we have a lot of stars around here. The front cover is going to give you a glimpse into the whole story. Not exactly whole, but the main thing you might want to know in this book. Well, you have stars all around, and this is the Little Prince. The Little Prince lives on an asteroid called asteroid B612. And on his asteroid, he has 3 volcanoes, out of which 2 are active volcanoes and 1 is an extinct volcano. The Little Prince's life is very different. Well, we all clean every place of our house, but since the Little Prince lives on a very small asteroid B612, he only has 3 places to clean, and he cleans his volcanoes, even the not active ones, even the extinct ones. Well, we use stoves, fireplaces, campfires and many other things for cooking stuff, but the Little Prince uses volcanoes to cook his food. Like if he wants to heat something, he just goes to the volcano and he heats it. He has one friend on his asteroid, and that is the rose. Well, the planet on the rose on this planet, this asteroid, is not an ordinary rose. This rose can never be found as an equal to any other rose in the whole wide world. Well, the Little Prince, one day, the protagonist of the story, a man, is actually flying, and then he lands in the Sahara Desert. At that time, he has no water and his plane's in a very bad state. At that time, the Little Prince, laughing and with a hair full of curls, comes to the man. The man is a very good artist. At the start of the story, you can see that there are a lot of drawings. This book has a lot of drawings in it. Well, this is the drawing done by the protagonist. Well, he was studying about boa constrictors, which eat their prey whole. So this is not a hat. People think this is a hat. No, this is not a hat. This is a boa constrictor eating an elephant. It all starts here. The Little Prince asks him to draw a sheep, and he draws that, but the Little Prince finds flaws in everything, and soon that builds, so that after that the pilot and the Little Prince are right now friends. The Little Prince takes his friend all throughout his life, and after that the Little Prince leaves. Everybody is quenched with thirst, so they go looking for a well, and at that place the main things happen in the story happen there, near the well and near the wall. After that, the Little Prince leaves and sees a lot of other planets. Other planets which he sees are very small. In one planet, for example, he sees a king who is not satisfied with everything he has. He thinks that he administers the whole universe. The whole universe is under his control, but that's not true. That goes on. The next planet has a banker who is always counting not money, but he says he's a banker, but he counts the stars around him. He just says some random numbers. 28 plus 3 is 32, and he just counts to 5 million something. And you can't count stars, but he's crazy, so he counts stars. And the Little Prince tells us that every adult was a kid in some part of their life, but some things can only be enjoyed when you're a child and not when you're grown up as an adult. which is a very important lesson taught to us in this book. Each planet where the little prince goes, you're gonna learn a new lesson which is gonna be helpful in your life. Well, remember all the lessons in the story, and one day this is gonna help you. At the end of the story, the pilot says to us, I last saw the little prince very long back, and since then he has not returned to Earth. But if you ever fall in the Sahara Desert or in the African desert where the final plot takes place, if you see a boy with with a small cute laugh and some curly hair, you give a note to me. I want to see the little prince. And that's the end of the story, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and if you have not hit the notification bell, go hit that too, because if I upload a new video, you get notified. And the age recommendation for this book, which is very important, no, this book doesn't have any age recommendation because you all can read it. It's a really important book, like I said. You can read it from ages 4, or you can even read it when you're older. Anytime, this book is gonna teach you an important lesson. You all, guys, I want you to comment down below if you have read this book and what lesson this book taught you. Every age is gonna give you a new kind of point of view on this book. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye.